And we're back with part 2 of the winter unboxing episode. So let's go! The next item here, we've got some jogger pants for the extreme cold temperatures. Again, inside the pants is the furry material that you get on all the rest of the items that I've showed earlier. So this is the female jogger pants that the missus bought, and this one costs about $12. I'm not going to try it on, but yes, links are going to be down below for all the female viewers. All you 5% out there, this is for you. And now we come to the men's jogger pants, which is here. 2 of those cost about $5 a piece, and this is the black one. This is the men's edition, and again inside you see the flurry material on all previous items. 2 pockets at the back. Nope. So elastic on top, slits at the back, which looks like pockets, but actually they are fake. So this only has 2 pockets, but they only cost you $5. It is comfortable, but really I don't think I would recommend this. The flap here is actually very dodgy. Fastener string here, you know, it's very dodgy. It doesn't feel like it's quality. And then you've got the end here, which is like a fake PVC leather being sewed on the string itself. It just looks very flimsy and feels very flimsy, and maybe that's why it's $5. I don't really recommend this. The drawstring is already spoiling, and you can see that some fabric has come out, and you know, it's just not very good. So this is the second one that we bought. Really, it has a stripe at the side here, and that's all the difference to it. But the drawstring is actually of a much better quality. So maybe you can get this one. Also same $5. It's got no fake back pockets that you see on the other piece, but both of them are on the same store. I'm gonna leave the link below. Remember to go for the one with the stripe. Right, next item that we have is actually loungewear, which is what we will be wearing to sleep. You go to a cold country, you need long sleeves and long pants when you go to sleep, otherwise you'll feel cold. So we actually bought 2 sets of pajamas, one for me and one for her. One set costs about $10 each, and it comes with the top and the bottom, and we bought 2, and the seller actually gave us a free gift, which is a comb. Yes, a comb. Thank you, seller. And the brand is called Home Dream Treasure. Yeah, 家梦宝. So there you go, guys. This is the pajamas. Quite fitting and comfy. It's loose, it's not tight fitting. You just need it to be comfy and loose fitting. You don't want to buy anything tight fitting, and this is about $10, so you can wear it to sleep while you visit any cold countries. Fabric is pretty smooth, not rough at all, so definitely one of the better buys of this shipment. Right, next item. Something very interesting. It is actually a strap-on spike kit, so that you don't slip and fall down in ice. As you know, ice is very slippery, so this is actually a slip-on spike kit. So one pair of these only costs about $3. These are the spikes that's gonna keep you from falling, and you just have to strap it on your shoes, and you're good to go. So we're gonna try this, see if it works. So this is just a normal pair of shoes. We're gonna try if this works. Of course, I'm not gonna walk around in it. I'm just gonna damage my floor. And that's basically it. You're good to go. Fits perfectly, so you can just walk around in this pair of shoes without falling down. It's not slippery at all, so it's a strap-on and you can remove it easily. This is really for people who do not want to invest in winter shoes. You can just buy the strap-on and you can walk on ice. Now guys, the spikes solve one thing, which is the slipperiness, but it doesn't solve the other. Snow essentially is water, so you definitely need shoes that are waterproof. Otherwise, you are going to feel cold down on your feet. So if you have a little bit of spare budget, consider investing in a pair of waterproof boots, which is what I've got here. So you can get this pair of boots for just about $60. Seller even included some insoles here, which is absolutely free for you. So these are the flurry insoles that the seller has included. If you feel not warm enough, you can insert both of this. The boots itself, internally, it's all the furry material again, like as always, and this is waterproof. So this is really all-terrain, and you can use it to climb mountains and things like that. And this is how it looks like, guys, the waterproof boots from a brand called Roadmark. I mean, this pair of boots are really good. I don't feel that my legs are sweating even wearing them for a short while here, trying these boots out. So I guess it will work well in the cold. The fit is good, it doesn't look too bad, and it's waterproof. So highly recommended this pair of boots for 60 bucks. Of course, guys, the episode is not complete with the most important item of all, which is the external jacket. I went to North Face, check out their jackets. It's like, what, 700 bucks for one jacket, which I'm gonna wear 4 times? No way. So we bought this jacket from Taobao, cost about 100 Singapore dollars. So we're gonna check out, is it good or not? I don't like this tag here. I'm gonna figure out some way to remove this. So brand of this is called LVK. This blurry top here can be removed, and you can remove the hoodie altogether. What's inside the jacket? It's here. Quality of this is pretty decent. The fabric itself, I don't think it's made from any cheap material at all. There are button hooks here covering the zipper. So the jacket itself is pretty thick. I'm pretty sure it will hold well in the cold. As mentioned by the seller, will go to -20 degrees. As far as I'm concerned, this is a good enough jacket. It's thick, it's warm. So one thing I don't understand is there is a zipper here, but it leads to nowhere. You open it and there's nothing going on inside. So it's a fake pocket. So the real pocket space that you get is actually the pocket over here at the bottom, and this side here at the bottom. And internally here at the top, there is a breast pocket where you can put stuff as well. So inside there is actually a fastener. You can actually adjust how tight you want the waist level to be, and it will be fitting according to your waist. Doesn't make you look fat at all. You can actually make it quite snug according to your waist, so it doesn't have to be fluffy and all fluffed out. You can actually look cool in this jacket. Of course, this is the fluffy hoodie. You can remove it if you don't want to use it. I'll be wearing my beanie and my ear muffs, so I don't really need this, so I'm gonna just take this out. This is how it looks like, guys, the jacket without the hoodie, and it looks like this. So I'm really pleased with this jacket for just 100 bucks. I'm not gonna wear it a lot of times. Even if I wear it twice, it's only $100. I'm not gonna spend $700 on North Face jacket. Alright, it's really getting very sweaty. I am gonna end off the episode. Highly recommended this external jacket. Check it out. Check out all the items listed below. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. This is Paul here, signing off. Ciao.